So here is the solution of the fifth problem. The question is, suppose 100 people are waiting for a blood test for a kind of disease. The probability that one person, the test result is positive equals 0.1. Two test methods are as follows. Method 1 is that test each person one by one, then we have to do 100 tests. Method 2 is that divide 100 people into 10 groups with 10 people in each group. Then mix 10 people's blood and test the mixture. If the result is negative, then everyone in this group is negative. If the result is positive, then we test these 10 people's blood one by one. Now number of tests becomes 1 plus 10 equals to 11. So the question is that on average, what is the number of tests we need to do by the second method? So from this question, first, I suppose a case T, that the test result is positive. So from the question, we can find out that the probability of T is equal to 0.1. So obviously, T inverse that the test result is negative for each person equals to 0.9. So for each group, that the probability that all result is negative means all 10 people in this group, their test result is negative equals to 0.9 to the 10th power. So for each group, the number of tests equals to 1 times the probability that all result is negative. From above, we can see is 0.9 to the 10th power, and times 11, which and times the probability that there is at least one people in this group that the result is positive, which means there might be 1, 2, 3, up to 10 people that in this group their result is positive. But so it can be any number between 1 to 10. But at least there should be one people in this group that the result is positive. So the total times is 1 times 0.9 to the 10th power plus 11 times 1 minus 0.9 to the 10th power. So the result is approximately 7.5. And the total group number is 10 groups. So the total number of the tests equals to 7.5. That is for one group times 10. So it's for the 10 group. So the number is 75. So we can get the answer that on the average, what is the number of tests we need to do by the second method is we need to do 75 tests. So this is the answer of this problem. And also there might be some best solution we can take some improvement of method 2, like divide, if we get a positive result, then we split the number of people, like 5 people in the new group and the other 5 people in another group. So it may be improve the test we need to do. So this is the answer of this problem.